Greetings from Rainbow Radio, specifically from Councillor Lutro, through Sokohima's medium. Fiero Sokohima, made a check a say about my Saminko. Now, I had the Chroma business tycoons. So we need more. I said, no pay me because she go him status. And now your friend, I didn't friend is saying. So go him and try timeline. Before control and also she started the question with 2 balloons. Baku pie and then a buyer.
And then Yamian do Messifia 3 ways live. My top 4 cars.
And what today?
Mato Buzanga by so 4.
Ah,
I had my Bokobi.
Ah, dear me, Yama said, Yama when you know 2 balloon and he 2.
Balloon 2 pen and this.
Oba, who ye nimgua sini papa. No, it's what there is nothing motivational about what you said. Because as a woman like you cannot start the question with 2 balloons and still struggle and tell what you told us on Facebook is a lie. You are lying. Messi, it's a lie.
Oh, then I understand.
So I am telling you, it's a lie.
And I'm saying then I will start.
I have a well furnished office.
So sorry, now well.
And yes, me catch it. So go ima. So when the balloon mirror started the question. Me say obo. You have hidden something from us. Within your 2 balloons, something came into the season because a certain man came into your life and he bought extra balloons for you, but you refuse to tell us that somebody bought you extra balloons. And we are saying, "So when your business now, one country or baby, now for the fine, son will be a coin year or be a siniba or be a to the fear me. That's a cobane say, Nipane went to me and the country call fast to cut on a bar or fast. Koto ni fie mi enua multi social media and na mudi omo fell musi to asibuachi aye den musi miss by aye den na komo kan kire mu se kwan be na mo fa so e de ye de ha mo oba de wa ya se ye se fetu ohia ase it is a be ma ye won yi a mo be yi sam ne den
we because people must listen.
Why not listen?
The truth of the matter.
Which one is the truth of the matter?
The truth of the when you speak.
Which one is the truth of the matter?
So kasa so tobo.
One is man to me, but one kasa. One in there.
Oh come on sem.
Enye wasem na make. Enye wasem na make. So ko enye wasem na make. Men kan wasem.
O say me balloon na.
When I would trust say balloon mienu na dey start interpretation.
Me am try then I make it say I'm surprised.
Are we supposed to believe what you're saying?
You don't know this is sarcastic comment.
No. When you use the word sarcastic comment, I am saying that if Sokohima you start the operation with 1 balloon, 2 balloon, and today you bought yourself bicycle. Who knows that is not the 2 balloon that bought you the bicycle, but a certain man who you are not fighting over bought you the balloons and the cars that is working for you. Even your bicycle was bought for you.
The Buzanga bikes.
They were bought for you.
Balloons.
So you started with 2 balloons. But all of a sudden, Baku pay
and they come back.
And the car back on Baku near Preho. Now, see, I pray with you. I dare be aware so be there. What must say? And we are somebody the one had the what must say? It is so
what are you saying? Because they all come, I'm not getting it.
I don't know why you want to get.
No, but we have to communicate. So we need to understand him. So you see Lodina statement now you can't any fake. But it's I don't know fake. Really? Yeah, because trust me, I was surprised. Make me be sad and
don't believe social web.
Yeah, Rashido Faneba. Yeah, editor, online editor, and Wabeka said. They are trendy Lodina Mahama the press statement now trend. Oh say a fake.
Fake. Abba say fake is not original.
Now when Sulebe said they are Abba fake.
You see, when I saw the statement, I first hesitated because I don't think.
But because I saw
she would have stooped so low. To even
I was asked
a former
someone say is it right for her to
it will even open more worms like.
And if you Lodina office,
no, it's not.
If you are fake.
Yeah.
Any feed there.
Madam, as I said, they be I think I'm moving there. Say first, Nanka, tra. Assembly see and but thanks to the online people say they kind of original one and ho. And assembly man said your kind. Oh, man said your kind said
Lodina Mahama say Nukunu on chiti one soda. And ever since so warren no on it obibia see but last election no man to amanukunu. Aman to amanukunu ex-president Mahama.
Wine
Ghana for to amanukunu. Only problem bi anka omo manikunu din na. Afa adetie na maya mienu yi ekun social media ni esa drag ni kunu aka ho se ono e na all sa President Mahama
and yes, Lodina Mama said,
it's Lodina Mama press statement watching and say Ghana phone to go na nikunu entisa.
Yeah, then I say, Wabaka say nikunu tisa. Or baby, I wouldn't say nikunu tisa.
I say my bus see I say and you know
one press statement. Yeah, your man Penin Dada John Dramani Mahama or your Bemo Jinan and Niso. Bema no ho ofe na bema so ho ofe na wosika wo ye mba de do okunu enti mama Lodina once wa ye wan tro enya no kro se ni se bia da wase se wa kan na so ye nkonkomo no so go hima na trending issue se koso okro me bi ni den bo ba koso no me nkom ani ntam we na me kira de
trending issue koso ye between Miss Bell Miss Tracy
aye den
and
enkomo ni den so go hima enkomo ni den. Anywhere you hold the elephant.
It started.
No, it's not how it started.
They were fighting.
No, they've not fought. They've not fought. Are they fighting?
Tracy Bell live video. Did Miss Bell at them? Miss Bell came in. I don't know what she was even saying. I saw her still.
But I don't pay Tracy Bacha a patrol.
Yeah, I think so. I'm a patch
or pardon followers at all. ATM say koda kwakase be das kwakase see 2 boxes kunkre wi amobam mo and the Shatawale did pa shatta wale wa did din that was say Tracy Boachin Miss Bell to ko mo kasa me so mo sent to come mo nkaso na mo hwe na nko personal discourse to mase the woman said Tracy Boachin wale
ko ba ne ko yen twa so enye personal
Debbie so in your personal way I grow no moody. Debbie can say Tracy watching on Walida. What is our Walida?
Maintain.
Thank you. Miss Bell, what is our Walida?
Maintain. On guess also on Walida.
There and yes, also Walida will be in your pen. I'm just saying, oh, the American say what is it, Miss Bell Walida? It is a 2 unmarried people. Out, they say their livelihood is dependent or it's alleged that their livelihood is dependent on a certain man. It's not news. Dear Yakopon de man who are your friend I ask and ye be doing yase. Eti mo how ne den. Me also be mo social media say, you know, because of starting business with 50 Ghana, with 20 Ghana, there be no be starting business with 1 balloon. Na owie na se de besi enne wato buzanga vovo wo kaswa adwuma ma no ba konso wo sukura ye de sabola en wato abobo ya ba ko wo pokwase ye de sabola ama no na enne wagidin ati radio show kase say no start ya mo ha ne sen ye will be a friend trade secret enti Tracy Boachin ni Miss Bell di o ma ye ni nyina ye trade secret obi aboa wa ye mbo ni din wo bedwam Tracy Boachin koso di wo hima Miss Bell kwaso de wo hima na wa be kai passe yankasi ati akra yesoko himo to force da ati bi atwem dia ede sha ase to force waton force waton nam waton samo this is Sogohima. She has done every hard working work in this world, but all her money doesn't come from the hard work she has done, because in this world as a woman you cannot live with hard work, you live with luxury.
It's come from
Sogohima otiwe that is here me chose can you be antina me cho one ho fe tenche. You didn't take money from me.
I'm saying, say it, no say it.
Yes, saying.
Who you told Ginger 10 cities got to me the chico car.
O say. Debbie, can you say?
Messi, you told Ginger 10 cities got car. And
you know, Montier, Ginger no can name now you are supposed to business flourish when friends and loved ones pay for their own. Eti mesram so going man is cast on to the one fancy son of Enshira. Enshira. Me Enshira be Jimmy o. Na Enshira na me this kind of man so for man to the fancy sabra.
Me kuku.
Na one fancy son number. Who this is on the buy?
Me kuku asuna.
Who this is on the buy?
Awalampo.
Me da say awalampo George look for. The American say.
Me say, mommy catch on the day. You won't be so far. You see, no,
you won't be so far. You see in the man to. That they make sure say so go him.
Same way I will came. me eto da me no ya adwen to da me no wonya
na me mba ha ne me nya agenda
na me ne wonya adwen a ese metimi ka cho se papa
na wa o kan sense sadia me kan ya no
tie dia me kan yo
wo se dai
me ni problem
Tracy
Miss Bell I mean it's cool I don't have any problem with
no problem so issue. No, let's be honest to ourselves. When somebody does good to you, you don't have to keep quiet on it.
Eti ka salute ni pa na your papa watch on in a good page.
The eti man tie the di kan. Enkrofo en baba man kan ene omo de boni etuameka. I'm telling you, there are people that have been selfless for in this media. There are people that have sacrificed my job online.
No, it's not.
Let me you ask a question. So I am telling you that because I didn't write, that is why you were able to come and malign and lie against me. But if it was to be in public, like they won't do. So obi or papa bi and Yesu Christo or san kwatafo ne yale no. Ye ba ya na mo nyina bosi na ba na aka na wo he. Tracy Boachie, Miss Belly, obu amu bi amonka na nsumntie ha. So go man answer ni o. Tracy Boachie last week can send me money ya me de. Okay, and that's man ye kan ha last week. Asemo kan so baby wale ya be man do da ya den. One till last week. Or see a show.
Okay.
And I'm in here drink a sea back. We are simon dear fire the chair a relationship no air wale. It is a bear man wale no ya dear mawa ye din. Just a wood in a bibi suit to say a shower bra. I understand what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that what you can use in public, all right, and tell people that this is what this man gave me is when you are married to the man. Do you know what I'm saying? But when it happens that you are going out with a man who is not married to you, and you are having a relationship that is not registered, that is not known, all right? Even as a baby mama, your right to show whatever they've done for you is not correct. It's abnormal. You understand? Because you don't have the right to publicly tell us what we are doing for you. What must I say? Metie, se me ne wo train plan, dia me man dia de sie, and plan train enya obedwom. What I say? But say we are yire ni ya ade ma wa utumi ka. Enti se mo ka se, munim so obi aye bibia ma Tracy Boachie, munim so obi aye bibia ma Miss Bell, any man na keka ho na munim na omo nka obedwam a omo mfia mfom so bia. They are mature people not to talk about it. But when they get angry, like where this quarrel is coming, and I will say, I told your sugar mama daddy not to buy you a car. I told you not to do this for you. Tracy Boachie one code here. Because they did kind of, how did you know that your sugar daddy was going to buy something for your fellow woman? But as a matter of fact, sugar daddy knows no. Oh yes, this sugar daddy is sugar. Or your limited brown sugar.
I just
sugar na kele fe mlase. Ole mlase.
I just admire him.
Ole mlase.
I don't know him, but
no, do you know mlase? Mlase is used for madam. It is sugar that has been melted on fire. I call it mlase. Because how do you lie as a man who is doing something for another girl and you tell another girl? It could be exaggerative, it could be alleged, but the American say, oh baby, I would hear me. Bear my idea, man, no wale wa shut up. Bear my high down, what ye? Na on wale wa, me man is pecky, shut up. Only bear be train plan. Na a year bufia, men come say ye na say, because on yere, don't behave like a shadow wife, so that when somebody's husband die, you become a shadow widow. Tracy Boachie, any Miss Bell, Agura Mudino. Mundi magro papa ibe ma mundi adi agro manya ho faso munya din. Nobody is supposed to ask you to show them how you bought your house. Don't tell anybody how you bought your house, because by acid here the two here say. And don't forget the 5 categories of women in the life of every man. The first one is called a wife, the second one is called what? A sex mate. The third one is called a girlfriend. The fourth one is called what do you call the fourth one? The fourth one is called a baby mama, and the fifth one is called what? Sogohima. Hey, until yes, there were revision. There are 5 categories of women in the life of every man. So Kohima, listen very carefully that what these people are doing, they could be right. The first one is called a wife. You pay your bride price, so you are a wife. The second one is called
I want my husband to be rich, like that man who will be buying houses for them and they will fight.
You are ashamed to us, but we'll hold it like that.
Hey, you people should come here. Keep quiet.
No, but if two girls are fighting over your husband, you go and talk some. You are a shameful person. No, that's what I'm saying. That if truly that's why it's better that we're told that their mama didn't release anything, because if people are using your husband, you should thank God. So as I'm working now, if nobody's using your husband, you should feel ashamed. Because if your husband is good, others will use him. Mommy talk about so. So the first one, yes. If your husband is good, other women will use him.
So
I am useless. I am used, but less.
Okay.
And that because the reason is because, listen to me carefully. So, if your husband has what it takes, other women will come for him. And if you go behind your wife and you perform well, the other girls will respect who your wife is. And then come on, baby, be a different. No, but yes, I've been trying to tell you. So, first woman in the life of every man is called what your husband. You are one dear. Number two, you are a sex mate. Not just a way you know one dear. As you know that, or baby, I know that you know one dear for a sex mate. They are to me, son. Once why we are nippana down for to say we say I know to hear my down for. So, is my friend. Me know when you are pemagro. Me to me for one. Bibi I know who I am. I call every man sorry. And we are for a friend. And we are girlfriend with no string attached to it. What was it? And they are to be your friend, baby mama, or be a wawo amount. Or your baby mama, wow, ama. What I say, and they are to me and son, a side chick. They are to fifth one year side chick. And they are 5 categories when they love every man. They kind we a wife ya wallow, we a side chick because you'll be our wally echo out. And I a side chick, would you woman your tia, they say on tia, what they want, and I wouldn't be a shadow wife. What I say, we in your shadow girlfriend, shadow sex mate, and we are not sex mate no be I know that. Udi two in yase, and he wants to show up boy na one not to fear best me and Sunday and 9. What must say? But what is he able to film our easily gone? Now they can't buy young person or car, number plate who didn't was when the actual Yakoto plate at the Tosu. What did I just yet to be cases and you're not yet in the can. Now the Tosu be our girlfriend. Would you your mouth shade? Would you do help us? So going matter 10, no fear no blow, near no picture near call your girlfriend. What must say? And the last one, why would him that? Would you your baby mama? And we are Ubina your side chick, a young woman. Or baby, I wear side chick, utu, usiwa, o woman, ye dinate.
What of sex mate?
Sex mate, young woman.
Into sex mate, no, my woman.
How many dear Monsieur for Shabbat or Bible? Bible, my head says Solomon assignment or ye decan ye, not a shower for me near warrior, and a bakun down a basundo kumu, and a bakuna can, or they call Solomon himself. Ya colana, ya media, yan chemumaya, Sakura de Chemu, what must say? Did you yes, and say, none in your baron in your shawonako, a shawon so called what, a yet in so be Jumako Juma, as a bakun, where I showed the abbation on Pessa, best of the same fair is in a cancolani who didn't go to a shawon. And just show the air and found, and just show for Namis or be while I was so by Woody and I saw that baby mama, and then there Tracy Bachi and a Miss Bell, a good moody, Moncoso. Now, good moody means a fiasco nigga show mudding, as on the water pen. A fiasco nigga water pen, the show show mudding, live to live. If your message, a manager who back was as he soon as live to live. Our the born in ya, jai. Not trust it. So going to traditions, you don't want to trust no man. But I can say we idea and comedy last week. No, we spoke about making a religious choice as a woman in marriage. So I'm going to release tidbits. What are the tidbits? If you marry a man who goes to the washroom and refuses to flush, he's not qualified to be a husband. And you're flashing it. If your husband can go to the washroom and mess the place up and cannot take toilet brush to clean the toilet room before he leaves, he's not qualified to be a husband. He's still a boy. Only one did your commodore. So good idea is so tear. I'm up for Didi. So go ma. Mommy. Mimbo to it. That be got your money naming. Mini naming. My water no going. Got Bajomi. Oh, Vemo Mimbo to Bajomi. Number 2. No come and say, can you never spawn? Dabby, tomorrow 40 baby. Mbafi. Okay, able to handing a boom be what about in John? Lamomo, they're fine. People think I'm kissing them. People think I'm kissing them. So, what I'm saying is very, very important that we discuss when it comes to your religious choices. You have to be careful who you choose. As a wife, you need to be very careful with your religious decisions. The reason being that your religious head is your husband. So when your husband, Ania, 25, 26, 25. Thank you very much. Your religious head is not your pastor, it's your husband. So we discussed that. So remember that a husband is the man who goes to the washroom and can still keep the place clean. Listen to me very carefully. So your husband is not your son. Your husband is not one of your children. So your husband cannot be creating mess for you to clean. Any man who creates mess and walk away, all right, is not qualified to be a husband. So, Goima, a husband must make a decision for the house to look like a home. The influx of house help and other things are decisioned by the man. Your mother-in-law and things. And let me give you another tidbit. Any man watching me today, remember that if you want to know how your wife will, your wife will be in future, look at your mother-in-law. So Goima's husband, but more than natural son, what's about here? Not penny age. Say only age is a year. A child son of that. What do you bet here? And so Goima, mammy, the young father said, the young father said, well, this is the three. Number see no gusu shiso. Egusu bopons. Egusu she jeans. Ednam chrome sneakers there. Not just how you know what they know. Dachi uwuntem. Obema bejinaso. Na so shiao mami. Now mami at 53. Ninu for begu ne streso. Ama se si a mebre. Na se wo yire dachi no. Eti wo yire mami de ohia pass obehwe mama na ye. What did them can say? Now you come out here this bedu ne say owale for oba bia wale a make sure that you don't resign from your work to get to any marriage. You can't say. Ya bedu say, how do you make decision in this marriage to continue? One of the decisions you make is religious decision. Don't marry a Muslim as a Christian. I said last week, and I insist on it. Any genuine Christian will never marry a Muslim. Any genuine Muslim will never marry a Christian. Anytime you see a Muslim going to marry a Christian, it's an error. It's a mistake. You can't tell me it's love. It's a mistake. It's not love. Don't do that thing. Number two, if you find yourself in a particular, so remember you asked a question last week, and your question was denominational. You see, denominational, SDA, Jehovah Witness, Presby, Catholic, who besides say, almost swear, Hindu, me that say, tie, or baby, our person walia uko Hindu, sorry no, Kai say, unya wale be maybe or call apostolic, sorry pen Hindu wajai. Because obebiano or spiritual head and your pastor. Should I repeat my statement? There is no wife whose spiritual head is your pastor. Your spiritual head is your husband, not your pastor.
Who is a spiritual?
A spiritual head is the one who makes decision for your spirituality. He heads you. Bible says that wives, submit yourself to your own husband as it is to Christ as your head. Your husband's head is Christ. Do you understand? Your husband's head is Christ. And your husband is heading you. So your head is your husband. So submit yourself to your own husband. One can say ukunu. And Jahumbrasi bin say ukunu a Muslim and so now oya Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now Jina baby. Hey, you are missing. Why that? So if you are listening to me today and you are just about to be a wife, or you are making a decision to be a wife, add your religious decision to it. You cannot ever go to any length and breadth and tell us that it is about love. So, it's not love. Religion is not love. Don't go and marry and later on you regret. So, if you are a Catholic, how do you marry an SDA? See the pain. The woman's religion will always get missing. Obano, what must I say? Obano, uwari pen, wosuma osum eyira. Ewiye ewo wosum ni munu eye se, eda ye ho de. Na ka se ye ni bibia ye friend asode awade ye sua wo ha. Awade ye miensa wo Ghana kuro mu. Ba ko ni ye friend Mohammedan marriage, kremofo awade. Ye to so ye friend ne fia awade traditional marriage. Ye to so miensa ye friend civil marriage ye enkrata awade. Asori eni awade. Sorry, any our dear, the church in Ghana doesn't have marriage. What we do is that we work on behalf of the government. So we are gazetted to marry you because the government has registered us, giving us training to be able to give you the right under the Supreme Court's leadership and the seal. Now you are reciting the oath. And after that, your marriage belongs to the government. Onushi. Come at 24. Your marriage belongs to the government. The idea belonging to the government. They say, so going man, what way, and that way, what way, Thierry Pa. Certificate Yadima after Wadiano. Who him said certificate? Abiding also. Who him say? Abiding also. Abiding if abiding was on say. Abiding was only a simple. Abiding was only a say. Your marriage is under the registry of the government. So you can only divorce in the law court, not in church. So no pastor has a right over any marriage in this country. The prayer we pray on your marriage doesn't make your marriage work at all. So men trust in you confused. Say man worry was sorry them with dia. Not just it is not true. Awadia shira bem awadia wona ne waja ajatu. What just here? It is an shira ni mono. Ubisa say esumbe na ojidi. Chlo se mayeti ase say. Obia ubapa nyankopon enejo. Your father's God, not your mother's God. What just here? It is a wo worry. Na wuti we sokohima wo papa eye dinsuni o jase wo papa ni kwaku bonsam osum mbosom ene ni gidie a monkwala ni nyina mo ofio nyina mo ya bosomsofo mo tumi nkan kire msam ya Kristofo.
Now what of say me papa no osum mbosom but ene ne mani bia be ye Kristofo
ni papa bosom. The father's God is a shrine. So the supremacy over your life is the shrine. What you say?
Nipani nyame na wabeji atu ne de.
When I was say what do nyame ba e ba ne say ne ye bibia fa wo ho ene usunsumu a ye de akọ wa agya ho. Ure fi say Jacob eko ware Rachel ne ho ofesen Leah okay. Ye de Leah ne ho tan edada no. Leah no makeup ya de man no omo ba no ne yire no mo ne ba no ka yesi ye yesi owia ne papa bosom efi say na Jacob anchire ne banbo a ono de ba ye what I say oba bia nyankopon a obetumi asom no etuko wale a in your decision to marry, never make a decision to marry when you don't understand the religion you are inculcating yourself to. Make a decision with the religion you want to have, because in the future you are in, your children will come and they need to also follow a religion that their mother is following. Baby, I would tell me worry about sorry for you are not a qualified husband. You are not. Any man who is married to Sokohima today and you go to church A and your husband goes to church B, your husband is not qualified to be called a husband. He's not a band. He's a neck. Because in the first place, you can't tell me that last week somebody said, by me, I love a Muslim. Maybe I'll say I am a this. But no, don't make that mistake. Let the Muslim marry their Muslims. Let the Christians marry their Christians. Immediately you are a Christian, you go and marry a Muslim. Remember that you become a Muslim automatically.
Make us all doko the other one.
Or dobe na ko the other one. Men kasa tite nshira. Or dobe na ko the other one. When I can't say
so to all no, you don't come one.
Now, me don't hear me. Men don't me renting or bandor or do a bema said, yeah.
Ain't it Bemani and Cramoni or do Christoni?
And I'm saying, so think, na me catch you and I will show you to say, think about your religion. Think about it. Men find a try. What must say? Even about to say ICGC and Kodesh. Sarcasm is sorry be new. How many are there back home? Who cost them? Some of your money and your son in fear. It will be a what if you are in fear crown. Bearman sorry na beko. Now so for be about what Bembe say, yeah, this is our only star in the church. Sokohima is the one who have been helping us in this church. And we think that it is very important for us to tell you that if you want to marry Sokohima, then we want to suggest to you that you have to come alongside with Sokohima to our church. Or you have to allow her to come here, because if Sokohima leaves us and go, it's going to be very difficult for us to get somebody else to come and sing praise and worship for us. She's our announcer. And so we want to tell you, then they tell you, the woman, negotiate with your husband to understand that you are an asset to the church. That pastor doesn't know the work of God.
Is it right that was said Bema Warrior so didn't make request?
And I make sure when then because ukunu ne was spiritual head.
What if you couldn't person join a wassory?
There may be a co joining your bass or be no near sorry papa oko. And Namen country will say any man who stops their church to join your church becomes a burden to your church. Because they are not part of your church. They came into your church by virtue of marriage. So they bring you a lot of misunderstanding because they don't understand what you have understood in the church. I'm talking to you as a pastor who is with the church. That when the men come and they convince them to become members of the church, they become burdens to the church. And some pastors make mistake to give them positions in the church just to make them stay so that their wives will continue the service they are doing. Look, if you are a singer in a church and there's no qualified husband for you in that church, leave the church and go to another church. Follow the man to that church. If your husband is a Sunday Omotuo man, and you go and marry him, learn that every Sunday it is a Omotuo special. It is not church.
Apocalypse Friday.
You understand what I'm talking about?
You make sure that you join your husband every Friday.
Because, yes.
Apocalypse.
Because you see, the challenge is that anytime a woman finds Christ in marriage, once the husband has not found Christ, the marriage goes through crisis. Oh, should I repeat my rhyme? This is Shatawali. Listen carefully. Anytime a woman finds Christ within their marriage time and the husband have not found Christ, it leads the marriage to crisis. Ne krakra says so ba nkwa wadiem ansa na ofa Kristo say ne kra agenkwa ana ofa Kristo say ne kra ene na agenkwa say na kan no ana mo kan say ofa Kristo say ne kra na agenkwa e wa wadiem a ne kunu hu Kristo a e ma wade ne bre awade ne bre if you say entiase mba awade no sanso no baby okọ na sorry na ni kuru ko na asori no se amentem ho ase ba wade anu a ukuru oyire sofo frewa o wo ho kwan se wo nko wan na efrem mo sofo na mo sofo de o be sofo ana ya wo ba ya mesi ya wo akwara bi ba 9 months anto ni din won te me ba ye adenti a girl ne ko Catholic ena Catholic front to be some to bofra ni din be ma no so ko asori fofo ese e fa akwara ne bra ne anto ni din ena ko dan ne mentem ho ase. So the child was not named because at the end of the day, look, no child must be named in any church. The Bible didn't say name a child in the church. Children are dedicated in the church.
My church, we only dedicate.
We dedicate children. We don't name children in the church. And dedication.
I mean, dedicating a child, you should mention the child's name.
So the child is named before they are brought.
Now, sir, akolani de tu di na what you prepare.
And busuan de tu din.
Of course, I will feel.
And ti de mekano.
Okay, dedication is only 3 months.
Na enti akolani ya be dedicated na manyankopo say wani ebusuan na gina tum. Na sofo agye we atom ani ase. Obi awo ne ba. Ye twa ne wasori dem mu. Ama ya to ne din. We nyina emfanti ase mba. Enti wo yire kwa asori we na kwa asori emboa. The same way if you are a Muslim, don't make a mistake and fall in love with a Christian. Have a relationship with a Christian. Use a Christian and dump, but don't bring a Christian to come and marry. And if you are a Christian brother and you go into the Muslim camp and go and use and dump, remember, very soon they will come for yours. But you see, Christian sisters, somebody tells me, counselor, last week go be friend me say, counselor, you cannot tell us here. Christian from Bemanabano, Omushia, one best of Muslim for the Benantis, I don't know that. And you are into the Pek Muslim form. Possible Jinahi on your Muslim, that's one way.
Okay, I have some messages here. This message is from Shimen Beauty Palo. Almost resource, my customers can't stop laughing. Soko, this man is too much. And Obi, so I send you say hello, Soko. Please say hi to him for me. He is saying the truth. And Cosby, I send him a message. Cosby, if I'm right, Cosby. I'm saying Shababet. Also, Meganya say the Bible and the Quran all speak about love, not religion.
It's not true. You should go and read the Quran again. The Quran says that if you are married and you are not a practicing Muslim, you are a girlfriend. You should go and check it.
Oh, Quran verses.
I will not give him. If he's telling me the Bible, he didn't take it to Bible school. He didn't know. He should go and check.
But this.
He should go and check. The Quran says that if you are marrying anybody who is not a practicing Muslim, then the person is not a wife. He doesn't share estate. Because in the Quran, you need to raise a daughter to become a fellow Muslim so you make it to heaven.
For me, I have been a Muslim before.
Yes.
So, to some extent, me know ya Jane.
And yes, in the America.
In Islam, oh yeah, sorry. Oba buninsa. Like, ya wanyama be bra ye. So we are sorry na sebe. We from a bonnet cry. Ya wo enyema esese we. Intino, assuming say we are Muslim, na wawari Christian. I mean, too, there are Christian guys who even feel, say, when my wife is menstruating, I can have sex with her.
It's not Christian guys.
Meanwhile,
no, hold on.
No,
let me correct this one first.
Guys,
no, where you went, you need to correct it.
That guys
having sexual intercourse with your wife when she's menstruating, there is no evilness about it.
That is you. Some people don't want it.
Can we correct it? No, we are correct. It's a school. No, so let's teach. I'm saying that
evil thing.
So when
some people don't want it.
So they don't want it doesn't mean it's wrong.
Of course, there are so many things we don't want it. It doesn't mean it is wrong.
So I'm saying that nothing I say. It's not there.
So I'm saying
you can have sexual intercourse when the person is menstruating.
It is not
flow.
But the religion, because in this case, as someone who came, it is religion. Only religion. That a Muslim cannot marry a Christian. It is religion.
Yeah. So when you marry that, you become a Muslim.
I'm also telling you that in Islam, when a woman is menstruating. Even as me cry ma wonye so kowari Christian no your case so oba menstruate amene beda it will become a problem.
Okay.
So I'm saying
I get where you're coming from.
To some extent I agree because of some of them
no, and I'm saying that is not even that place you have gone. What I'm saying is that
oh yeah, sorry. Now we koto. Now we are sorry.
Now what time?
So sa kokoya lola. Now.
Say what wufi.
Yes.
And can sentale bon.
Yeah. We oba now we are men society some where ye alola. Inyama bebre wo honomo. That is too that religion. And to say no now beka so ebia. Be mana me ko are because so ye Christianity oninti ase wo nyama bisa where the confusion beba me ti ase. But for me I think this a bear man feel say.
Debbie.
So bano eko through sa enyema na obetimi ebia o yiri ye Muslim azmi oso obetimi aye
no
30 days as a Muslim
please Asogoima stop confusing yourself
religion.
So Goima, if you are not a host of a program,
is it not love?
It is not love and your ultimate. Who tells you is ultimate?
So in marriage, what is the ultimate?
The first thing is that like a school we say your donka and crofo be the odwa ko any omu sesia obi do ni kru sa ma wale na de kotna na asin mu fie ene wanu no obo ne nsa no ese osoro no person ochia na enya apra ne keke osoro no person obo na asib do na ochia no ena na se ni yam hwie ye toilet nso ye ba ko na asin mu fie enti ni yam hwie ye na fe de okobo dan na ase wo ba bi so obo dan oje mi so Goima no olia keke mo yeti afi ma to ahine ma ni ti afi esafo mo fa ne lia ko eje mu musu etwon e wo to no sha yo njepo no ba wa lo je me kan say odo no ko so we ma yan worry because of love, we marry because of like, and we are saying that when it comes to religion, don't make a decision as a Hindu to marry somebody who is a charismatic. Look for your fellow Hindu people to marry. Otherwise, anytime you're a woman, you give yourself and your religion out. Remember that it is missing.
Now, no bit or say, waware. I think it's after answering way because it's all about. And no crap about from one different religion to the other religion. The same a Christophone, but different churches. Or say, waware ne yereno, and no corner yerena sorry. He felt say it was yom bibia to say. Na sorry one, so he could stay because baby ono na sorry one. Na a different. If I say tema, into share on quita castle, so the stress and all that no so better now. But who say ne soft one, and then the year ni dia groby. And yes, oh, didn't come cry. So for it me fa a vortex bottle, no much trouble on the year no. Like they have that thing. All of a sudden now, say omo ye meeting cry. Utterances be a soft one year no. Like he couldn't stand. The owner not suspected the soft one no. And in the year no. Now, one man ultimatum say it does say. Obey Jaya sorry no. And that's obey Jaya now.
This is a stupid man. These are the stupid men I'm looking for to put sense in their head. How do you threaten your wife with divorce because you are suspecting that his pastor is going out with him? This is a man. No. Sogoima, you look, you are sitting down right now. This is Sogoima. You have a way you play with George Lutrot. Hello. Hold on. You have a way you play with me. You are great, me boy. Mikitadia me this is your wish me said. Position me cra need me it's a higher place. Wawale me boy. Now ukunu eba o se me ba studio a me twen ma mo pon ye no. Se na na council aso sa. Listen, no, I said, radio Brembo Jumewe, Ujai Anamija Wadia. He's a stupid man with no apology. Listen to me carefully. The air can say, you decided to visit your wife's church. When you went, you said the way your wife's pastor is talking to your wife, you don't like. So your wife has the choice.
From talking, not get it.
So
from talking,
so even
if to battle me,
or the abono,
not the abono,
or the abono,
not why
or the body kunu,
no etino,
or the body kunu, or the body kunu, or the body kunu. You see, this is what I'm saying. You see why the woman is going to suffer right now. How anytime a man can look at your face and threaten you with marriage, he's a stupid man. I'm telling you. Any man, any obadi awutie me awale. Anytime I couldn't do what they threaten say, one yes, I major awadi, or ye Jimmy for me catch it. Me man to sebe, to mommy. What? Because you see, let me tell you one of the painful thing. Oba bejani nani neja. What was here? No ni kuno be number ako. Oba take a decision to relegate everything and come and join you in marriage. If you think that the church is attending, she is not complaining that the pastor is maltreating her. She is not complaining that the pastor is disrespecting her. And you, the husband, you think that for what you saw, the way you saw that they were playing, you are suspecting they are cheating, the husband is having a relationship with a wife, or the husband. I mean, how can you think this way? Are you normal?
But, counselor.
Why do you make marriage bad like that?
Are you aware that there are some church members who are cheating with the pastors?
If a church member...
So it is
hello, you see. Don't get these things. I hate these things. When you start these things, that church members are having relationship with pastors. Are there two dogs having relationship or two human beings?
Two married men.
Even if two married people decide to cheat, is it the fault of the other party? It's a decision. I choose to cheat. As I sit here, I'm not useful, very useless, lack of opportunity. If I decide to cheat today, it is not because my wife is bad. It's not because of anything. It's a decision I have made. Why do we threaten people that, how do you tell your wife, say, you either stop the church or I divorce you? Are you serious?
Oh man, ain't you know, now what
she should lose her marriage. Because such men.
On now try.
Now, I did just so they know what I say. Machimo, Ujina Woso, Atina what the Boniasi. That because of the children, you want to suffer under the hands of a wicked man.
See, on join us or number joining us.
So watch it here. You don't need a threat. This is what I'm saying, that when a man marries you, if he's a sensible man and he's qualified to be a husband, he takes you to his fellowship where he fellowships. He doesn't give you a tomato. He doesn't threaten you because he's your spiritual head. So this man needs counseling to know how to talk to a woman. Honey, I've visited your church, and I think that your church and my church are doing the same thing. Henceforth, myself and our 3 kids, I want us to attend my church and let's pay our tithe there. I have not said your pastor is having anything to do with you. I have not said I don't like the way your pastor, because it's likely that I can bring my wife to my church and my pastor will be fan of my church and begin to have jokes. Will I say there too they are cheating? We should go to another church. How are these children getting married? Why are small boys becoming husbands in this country? All right. What's the meaning of that?
Because we say people do not belong to either religion, but they have good marriage.
I don't get it. It's not true.
They don't belong to any religion.
Yeah, but they have a faith.
What is the faith?
Okay, so I'm taking the faith.
Some people, they don't.
So Goima, listen to me. Everybody have what they believe in. So I said to Goima, what am I saying? Obi ojidio. Obu ho onko sorry. Na so oji abuodi. Obu ho onko sorry. Oji nsuodi. Obu ho oye 80s. Obu ho onji bi se nyame wo ho. Enti once you have a religion that you are practicing, make sure that your marriage falls within the religious fraternity that will bring cohesion, understanding, and not misunderstanding.
Mami kai Tina Abuna Diamond, I say, little misunderstanding, I will divorce you.
That's it.
One man tell, see, you are right. Counselor Tilly Duma, also Koima today, I don't know what has come over you. Today, that's it. It won't over me, but I no go over me. Or Danny Ventures, Macra Junction, or say, hey, you are still talking. Akosia P, or say, which man does this? Mabna or D4 open mind. Also, we don't blame such men because society has made it seem a man has done you a favor by marrying you.
Yes, that one is true. No, but that one a favor doesn't mean the person.
Then, if you have done me a favor, then you can threaten.
No. That's what I'm saying. That when a man threatens you, he's not qualified to be a husband. I told you the nice way you can still say the same thing.
Producer so let's keep quiet. Name Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Me patch 0204875875. That's my boss. 0204875875.
Oh baby, Fred Biano.
87587. Patch me na meka. Counselor say, me producer say me na meka.
Announce if you akoko.
Oba obedi kan Fred Bia, o ma o free if you akoko na be abeje ne de nyame pele ne yenko. Hello.
So Obiaba.
Makofo dina standby dada. Hello? Yeah, odo. Oh, me too nka che yanko. Yeda Yesu ase mitie o. Oh,
Neire ya Kristo, neire ni ya Kramodi. Jonja de okale. And is your spiritual head.
Yes, although we didn't maybe our free fee. So, hello? Kate Kasani uncle. Matia Meadow.
And next you go to ye can't nyamesom ye nka obi a we igbeni na igbeni aye fo ma ware akwapi fo bienu de o hia tantan
Okay. Yeah, that's it. All right. So for baby, I'm Fred.
Oh, Ghana ma.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Mama to say. Good afternoon, Fred. He anu here aye. Oh, Fred. He.
Oh, Fred.
Go go say, "Ndia, o chicken." say when your chicken why?
Okay. Yet me vacancy.
And your bar will be your chicken.
Me wa oba we yen your chicken. Until obeshia wa henu agene chicken. Thank you. Love you, Pa. Clean Bob is my name. Hello, so I'm very happy to hear from this man again. He's my mentor, Clean Bob from Tema Community 12. So ask him, I'm a Christian, but my wife is a Muslim. Okay, Papa, can I say that?
So the girl is no more a Christian.
Please listen to him la. Okay, and then me share that palm. That me home family so then me jano and then them more tell them yeah, who be and said me share the same color
Bodyline clothing. Yami Abdom. My shirt, nice suit, nice style from Bodyline Clothing, Accra Central. Despite dynamo, men you want to say Shiraba, oh sorry, I watch the long sleeves, no jacket. But what did I call? Now cover blazer toso. Na naka enye bibianka naka me chair possible suit share. Na ne size akazapo onim ne size. Bema o wale na onim ne size bia oye nimguasie ni. What you say? Enuanom ni adofo amutie no. Wuni ukunu te. Na ukunu oni mo brazier size a dwihum mienu ansa na koso tena fie ho me wari oba bia oni mo ne bra size 0277 miame nama post marital counseling Brian Moa me wari kremoni se kristoni se obese oja kremusuma ko wari kristoni 0277 609 644 0277 609 644 dachi asem binti na yema mu refi se ne me be chese ko hima efi akoko a ya spicy se na be adachi wose me man hwe da me ka se me man efi akoko a odi koko sua awie nkwan ye be ma bi a ukunu oyire eno awie nkwan ma no obese opostrate eye better ne da hodin na me hira mba dia mu eduane no na me hira mu amaka so 0277 609 644.
Okay, thank you so much. And Thursday, busy our rainbow already. Yes, sorry, so you're going to do some. I'm going to pay High Life Paradise here to us. So, Kopim says, yet away bus and the Boaquam. And Boba Nusu said, and then the politicians. And I don't say what I teach. Shaba,
Yo, thank you very much. It was just a good, healthy discussion we just had. We're talking about religion and making a decision to know who you are supposed to be talking with. Today, I have a lot of people watching live. I don't know if they can be invited. Bring him, okay, add him. Let's see. I don't know if they can be added. Thank you very, very much for being part of our listening here today. Tonight we have a still married relationship. You've seen all the symptoms and everything that's happening. If you want to get married, please be careful that you know the type of religion you are entering into. There are a lot of people who enter into religions they don't understand. Remember, you need to understand the religion you are entering before. Because we have a lot of challenges that we are facing with relationship and religion. This how can your husband threaten you that you either leave the marriage or stop the church? In the first place, make sure that you show your wife your religion. Let your wife have a religion that knows you believe in this God. Don't use love to marry. In the first place, use your life to marry. You are a Christian. Forever remain as a Christian. If you are a Muslim, remain as a Muslim. Don't let marriage make you a Muslim. Don't let marriage make you a Christian. Why? Because anytime marriage makes you a Christian, you suffer in the relationship. I'm grateful. God bless all of you. Whoever you are watching this afternoon, look out yourself. Don't make a mistake. Thinking that love answers all. 0277 is my number. 609 is my number. 644 is my line. 0277 609 644. I'm grateful. It's a big, love is still a mind relationship. I know a lot of people have a different faith. Don't let two different faiths marry. I'm grateful to you. Fast, very happy, and my advocate is lovely. This is when we do the picture of the oh, thank you so much, Tina. Thank you, Tina, for joining us here. Marry in your faith, or decide not to marry in your faith.
God bless you for watching. I'm grateful to all of you for watching today. Because you watch, my chicken with a very pan is ready. I didn't get anybody to give a chicken to. I only gave it to. The network is not good. Oh, wait, I have a stable network here. Why are you? My network is not working. No, let me end my show now. I don't want any bad network. Distract what I do. 0277 609. Take care of yourself till I see you. Bye.